Hey guys, it's the Nightmare Plays. I'm looking at my YouTube channel right now, and what do I see here? Look at the views. That's right, 307 views. Thank you guys. Make sure you share this video to 2 people or share my channel. I don't give a damn. I'm just trying to get to 70 subs. Nah, vote to 100 subs. I know for a fact we're gonna get it. I'm gonna get it for this year, because there's no way in a whole year. Oh my God, there's no way in a whole year I got up to 68 subs. I started March 8th, 2018. It's been a year. I'm at 68 subs. I have more subs than my brother. Please, guys, go subscribe to him right now. Mordecai Games. He said he was going to change the name of his YouTube channel or make a new one. I don't know. And he's also getting Jump Force. I'm not into games like that. It's like with Naruto. I think Dragon Ball Z characters are in it too. It's like a Street Fighter type of game. And yeah, so that's why I'm not really like into Street Fighter and stuff like that. I'm into gun games, stuff like that. So yeah, guys, and I hope I'm gonna check my oldest video and see if it shows one of my videos and it says a year, because then if it shows, let me check right now. Hold on guys, let me get my remote. Oh yeah, I changed the background of it. Okay, 9 months, 10 months. That was no. See, all these videos, it feels like in the 30s. This one is almost at 30. I get my favorite skin in the game. New channel. Don't. Wait a minute. It just showed that. It shows the same video. It showed. What the hell? Yeah, that was a stream I did earlier. Earlier, that was like 3 weeks. So it doesn't feel like 3 weeks at all. The getaway. I was playing that. I remember this video had 377 views. I thought it was famous and everything. Yo, Big Bird. You're gonna come. There will be Big Bird, but like when I get older, I might be doing some Kermit the Frog stuff, because I asked my mom if I could like get a Kermit the Frog puppet for my birthday. So I don't know, maybe not. Disney World shirt vlog. It wasn't even a vlog really, because it was 8 minutes. Where is it? And then there's my subscriptions. Oh yeah guys, subscribe to this dude. That was my friend. That's my friend from school. He really needs it. He only has 8 subscribers. He did like 2 videos of Fortnite. And I'm about to check this guy's channel. Nope, I'm not trying to get banned. I mean, sued or whatever. No, what am I talking about? Marshmallow. had the skin. That event was so epic, guys. I actually did. I was there for the marshmallow event. It's just that I didn't like I didn't do it like it wasn't letting me record or do a live stream. This is my brother. Subscribe to him. He made the marshmallow concert. He's playing on mobile. Subscribe to this dude. He helps me with my stop motions. Motion Studios. Subscribe to him. I met him on Discord. Oh yeah, and guys, join Discord. Like, come on. Subscribe to this dude. And yeah, that's technically it. I mean, I don't have any other person to say subscribe to. But yeah, I'm thinking that's it. This used to be my friend Mason, the guy I was talking about that was from school. That used to be his old channel. He had 10 subscribers. Kid Morgan. I'm only subscribe to the stop motion channel. I mean, I don't post on it, but I might. So, was it not showing? Subscribe to new plays. Subscribe to Crypto Dynamics. He's also my friend from school. Caitlin's channel. And yeah. Catch you guys later, and peace.